This is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your HK10 Ultra 3 version for the first time. This I'm going to set up to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. In this case, could be any phone, doesn't matter. So I hit the power button of my watch for the first time. Let's see. So saying me welcome. I hit language English, obviously hit yes. In this case, start pairing, you see, start pairing. You scan the code to download the app. So in my phone, I scan the code. See here, show the option, I put the watch. And let's go to the phone, show option, search web. So you see WebFit you can download for Google Play App Store. This is Samsung phone, so Google Play, I hit this one. You see here, open, continue Google Play Store. I hit open with the Google Play directly. So here we have option install. I hit this one to install. So it's done. You see here open option. I click this one. So WebFit we go. I hit. I'm agree with that, consent. Okay, here's some ads at the top. So it's very annoying, so much app. I hit continue to app, allow all the option they ask you. So here is done. I hit device option here, click. So I have old version of HK2 Ultra. I want to a new device. I touch here at the corner. I hit scan button while using app, allow. Let's see, let me scan this one. Lovely. See, it's pairing at the moment after scanning. So I hit
pair to start your health journey
and select here. Turn on message notification here at the WebFit at the bottom. Do this, allow. So it's turn on all the notification you will receive. So let's see the watch now. I put as this. So the watch is connected. You see all these watch faces I have here. So lovely. So this is the way you can set up your HK10 Ultra to your phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.